Hello everyone. In today's video, we are practicing the pronunciation of Vietnamese vowels. As you can see in the figure, we're trying to pronounce from the top to the bottom with the notice that from the top to the bottom, the lower jaw drops more and more. Besides, we are practicing from the left to the right with the notice that from the left to the right, the tongue tip moves back and the roof of the mouth getting higher. Okay, now let's start with the vertical, with the column. Okay, now the first column, let's start. E, E, E. You should feel your lower jaw drops more and more from top to the bottom. Again. E, E, E. Okay, the second column. U, A. U, A. U, A. U, A. Again, remember to monitor your lower jaw. It should be drops more and more as we go from top to the bottom. And the last column, U, O, R. This column is the most rounded in terms of the shape of the lips. So you should feel your lips shape is rounded. Okay, again, U, O, R. Okay, so from the top to the bottom, the lower jaw drops more and more. Pay attention. Now, from the left to the right, the tongue tip moves back and we have the feeling of the roof of the mouth getting higher. Okay? The first row, E, U, U. E, U, U. So between the U and the U is flatter somehow, and the U is more rounded and the higher of the roof of the mouth. Again, E, U, U. Remember to monitor the position of the tongue tip. It moves back as we travel from the left to the right and the roof of the mouth getting higher. Okay. The second row. E, O. E, O. And the last row. E, A, O. E, A, O. E, A, O. So the O is the most rounded lips, right? Among the other vowels, and O also in the last row means our lower jaw drops the most. Okay, so O is most rounded and most dropping lower jaw. Okay, thank you for today. That's enough for today. See you again.